Hello student, today we are going to solve some objective question on grinding machines part 2, objective 2. This is multiple choice type question. Question number 1. In grinding operation, for grinding softer material, option A, coarse or grain size is used. Option B, fine grain size is used. Option C, medium grain size is used. Option D, any grain size may use. Correct answer is option A, coarser grain size is used. Okay. Question number 2. In grinding operation, for grinding harder material, option A, coarser grain size is used. Option B, fine grain size is used. Option C, medium grain size is used. Option D, any grain size may use. Our answer is option B, fine grain size is used for harder material. Question number 3. Abrasive selection for grinding high speed steel is option A, diamond. Option B, aluminum oxide. Option C, silicon carbide. Option D, boron carbide. Correct answer is option B, aluminum oxide. Okay. Question number 4. Abrasive used for grinding ceramics and tungsten carbide is option A, diamond. Option B, aluminum oxide. Option C, silicon carbide. Option D, boron carbide. Correct answer is option B, aluminum oxide. Okay. Question number 5. Grinding wheel flooded with coolant in order to option A, remove chips. Option B, remove heat. Option C, clean wheel. Option D, clean the job. Correct answer is option B, remove heat. Okay. Question number 6. In grinding operation, for grinding softer material. Option A, softer gate is used. Softer gate wheel is used. Option B, higher gate is used. Option C, medium gate is used. Option D, any gate may be used. Correct answer is option B, high gate is used. Question number 7. Crack is developed in grinding wheel due to crack developed in grinding wheel due to option A, generating heat. Option B, slower speed. Option C, high speed. Option D, hard work. Correct answer is option C, high speed. Crack is developed due to high speed. Okay. Question number 8. In grinding operation for grinding harder material, option A, softer gate is used. Option B, higher gate is used. Option C, medium gate is used. Option D, any gate is used. Correct answer is option A, softer gate is used. Okay. Question number 9. Grinding operation is used for option A, shaping. Option B, dressing. Option C, forming. Option D, finishing. Correct operation is option D, finishing. Grinding operation is used for finishing. Okay. Question number 10. Grinding wheel is balanced. Option A, at the time of manufacturing. Option B, before grinding. Option C, after grinding operation. Option D, frequently. Correct answer is option D, frequently. Grinding wheel is balanced frequently. Okay. Question number 11. How hard or soft a grinding wheel is determined by option A, hardness of abrasive. Option B, hardness of bond. Option C, structure means wheel structure. Option D, bonding material use. Correct answer is option D, bonding material use. Hard or soft a grinding wheel determined by bonding material use. Okay. Now question number 12. Grinding wheel is balanced frequently because of option A high RPM, option B random wear, option C uneven wear, option D for grazing. Correct answer is option B random wear. Grinding wheel is balanced frequently because of random wear. Okay. Question number 13. In centerless grinding machines, the maximum angular adjustment is provided. Option A 5 degree, option B 10 degree, option C 20 degree, option D 30 degree. Correct answer is option B 10 degree. Okay. Now question number 14. Surface speed for grinding wheel in centerless grinding is option A 15 to 16 meter per minute, option B 100 to 500 meter per minute, option C 500 to 1000 meter per minute, option D 1500 to 1800 meter per minute. Correct answer is D 1500 to 1800 meter per minute. Okay. Now question number 15. Surface speed of regulating wheel. In previous question grinding wheel, now regulating wheel. In centerless grinding is A 10 to 15 meter per minute, B 15 to 60 meter per minute, C 60 to 120 meter per minute, D 120 to 240 meter per minute. Correct answer is option B 15 to 60 meter per minute. Okay. Now question number 16. Grinding speed used for grinding plain carbon steel is option A 250 to 500 meter per minute, option B 500 to 900 meter per minute, option C 1000 to 1500 meter per minute, option D 1500 to 2000 meter per minute. Correct answer is option D 1500 to 2000 meter per minute for grinding plain carbon steel. Okay. Now question number 17. Operation need to be performed to obtain surface finish of the order of 0.75 to 1.25 millimeter is option A grinding, option B honing, option C baffling, option D wrapping. Correct answer is option A grinding. For surface finish of order of 0.75 to 1.25 millimeter, we use grinding. Okay. Now, question number 18. Finish of ground surface could be poor due to A. Low RPM, B. Vibrations in machines, C. Unbalanced wheel, D. Option D. Dulling of the abrasive gains. Correct answer is dulling of the abrasive gains. For poor surface finish, for dullness of the abrasive gains. Okay. Now, question number 19. For grinding cast iron, brass, aluminium, etc. material of grinding wheel, use is A. Aluminium oxide, B. Silicon carbide, C. Boron, D. Diamond. Correct answer is option B. Silicon carbide. For cast iron, brass and aluminium, wheel use is silicon carbide. Question number 20. The process of precision grinding of part with loose dust type abrasive is known as option A honing, option B buffing, option C polishing, option D wrapping. Correct answer is option D wrapping. For precision grinding with loose dust type abrasive is known as wrapping. Okay.